Welcome to this month's assembly. You're going to hear updates from our young people. Hope you enjoyed this assembly.
Just a reminder about the school uniform. You have to remember to wear your school uniform every day and your ties. You have to remove non-uniform hoodies in class. No hood on. You have to wear black hoodies, black joggers, black trousers, or black skirts.
Just a reminder that the Believe Achieve focus this month is equality.
Hello, I'm Evan, and I'm a member of the Youth Parliament from S5. We just wanted to remind everyone that we have 4 representatives for each year who are available to take any of your requests as to how to improve the school, as pupil voice is very important here at Kings Park. We have QR codes all around the main building, and if you want to scan these, then we will be able to see it if you have any concerns. If you have any problems that have been bothering you for a while, even if it's a small issue, please do get in touch so that we can address it in our next meeting and discuss the problem. Thank you.
We are here to update you about House and Merit points.
This month's winner is Alan with 20 points, and in second place is Mo with 15 points.
In third place we have Sky with a total of 10 points, and in fourth place we have Lewis with a total of 5 points.
Although since August everyone's been gathering their points. In first place is Mo with 135, Aaron 125, Sky 100 and Lewis 90. Congratulations everyone!
Just to acknowledge the fundraising that's been happening around the school, we have raised £850 for the Beats and Cancer charity, £200 for Cash for Kids, and £500 for children in need. This is amazing. We're working towards our goal of £1,000 for the Beats and Cancer charity before the spring break. And in addition to this, there's the YPI fundraising.
The S3 have won £3,000 from the YPI for the Cross Basket Hospital charity.
Now for upcoming events. Next Tuesday there will be a S4, S5 and S6 Mullen Lewis Parents Evening.
Those who are choosing options will end on next Friday.
And Monday the 16th and Tuesday the 17th there will be a long weekend holiday, and on the Wednesday the 18th there will be a in-service day.
Ramadan will start around the 18th or 19th of February.
And there's some upcoming information after.
Hi, my name is Arshman, and I'm here to tell you about Ramadan. So Ramadan is basically us fasting for showing our iman, like how strong our iman, aka belief towards God is, and our prophets did that, so we do it as well to memorize them. To celebrate it, we fast, which means like we don't eat until after sunset, and like we start our fasting before sunrise.
Hi, my name is Mariam, and today I'll be talking about like how we can help the Ramadan and the fit effects that we're going to do. So first, the male prayer will be in the conference room, and the female one will be like available classroom at the time. And yeah.
Hi, my name is Umi, and I'm going to be talking about how you can help us. You can help us by like not offering us food because we won't be able to eat, and also you can help us like you could keep on like checking up on us like a PE, because we won't have as much as energy as like other people would, because like we wouldn't be able to like drink water and eat food. So yeah.
Hi, my name is Bilal, and I'm going to be talking about how during the month of Ramadan we will have a no eating space in the assembly hall for all Muslim pupils to just chill out in during break and lunch every day for Ramadan.
Hi, my name is Akir, and Ramadan will likely be starting on the 18th of February and will last 30 days until the 18th of March. And at the end of Ramadan there will be a celebration called Eid, is where all Muslims celebrate the ending of the period of fasting, and this will be celebrated in the school as well with lots of snacks.
Hi, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Savo. If any Muslim pupils feel that they need to speak to a teacher or need any advice or any questions on how the school can help during Ramadan, you can speak to myself as part of the captaincy team, any of the captains, any teachers, or Miss Preston, who is leading Ramadan in the school this year.